Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that promises outstanding performance and super easy flying, perfect for training. This is a GPS RC drone packed with popular features. It boasts dual cameras, including a 4K Ultra HD adjustable camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens and 50x zoom. You can switch between them and even adjust the main camera angle remotely. It captures photos at 4096 x 3072p and video at 2048 x 1088p. What's great is the electronic anti-shake, which helps stabilize your shots, aiming for that smooth, cinematic look. Being a GPS drone, it comes with intelligent flight modes like follow me, point of interest, and trajectory flight. It also has optical flow positioning for stable hovering, altitude hold, and a headless mode for easier control, especially for beginners. The 6-axis gyroscope and gravity sensor contribute to its stable flight. It's a foldable design, making it portable. Powering it is a modular 7.4V 1,200 mAh battery, which provides a decent flight time of up to 20 minutes. The battery is easy to swap out. It's equipped with brushless motors, which are known for being more powerful and efficient, especially helpful when dealing with wind. Control is via a 2.4 GHz remote, but you also get a feature-rich app. This app is compatible with iOS and Android and offers some fun extras like split-screen view, photo beauty filters, and even built-in TikTok video editing tools, making it easy to share your aerial footage. Overall, with features like headless mode, altitude hold, and gravity sensor control, combined with the promise of super easy fly for training, this drone seems designed to be approachable for those new to the hobby while still offering advanced GPS capabilities and a good camera system. The company also mentions a focus on timely, professional service if you have any questions.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.